For this problem, I'm going to divide these two expressions using long division. If you want to see an example of synthetic division, you can look at problem 11. So for long division here, we put the 8m minus 4 outside the division bar. 56m cubed plus 4m squared plus 8m minus 13. I didn't have to fill in any zeros because I went from a m cubed to an m squared to an m to a constant. So I wasn't missing any exponents in the process. Okay, so then we go through the first step of just looking at the first terms. 8m times something is going to be 56m cubed. And that something would be a 7m squared. Then we're going to multiply the 7m squared by this entire expression to get 56m cubed minus 28m squared. Then we subtract. When we subtract, these are always going to cancel because we made them the same. This is going to be 4 plus 28, because of the double negative, is 32m squared. Then we drop down the 8m and start over. So now we look at how many 8m's, or 8m times what is going to be 32m squared. In this case, that'd be 4m. Then we multiply. We're going to get 32m squared, then minus 16m. If we subtract that, that's going to be gone. And then 8 plus 16, because the double negative, is going to be a 24m. Drop down the negative 13. Start over again. 8m times what is 24m? That's going to be 3. And so then when we multiply that, we get 24m minus 12. Then when we subtract again, the first terms have to cancel because we made them the same. Then negative 13 minus negative 12 becomes plus 12. So we'd have negative 1. Now that there's nothing to drop down, that means that the negative 1 is our remainder. So we can add a negative 1 over 8m minus 4. This would be the same as putting minus 1 over 8m minus 4. Now, if you wanted to do synthetic division, then you'd have to first solve this equation equal to 0. So you'd add the 4, divide by 8. So 4/8 or 1/2 is what you would run through the synthetic division to get your quotient.